Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Greywash ink is probably one of the most sought-after tattoo ink sets for artists looking to create realistic, shaded, and detailed tattoos. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about choosing, using, and maintaining your Greywash tattoo ink set, from understanding the different shades and tones to mastering the techniques for achieving the perfect Greywash effect. Number 5. Element Tattoo Greywash Ink Set. This premium ink set is designed for professional tattoo artists. It's formulated with high-quality ingredients for superior performance and vibrant, long-lasting results. It uses only the finest ingredients, ensuring a smooth application and easy blending. You'll achieve seamless results every time. This set includes 3 distinct shades of gray, light, medium, and dark, giving you the versatility to create a wide range of shading and highlighting effects. Expect rich, vibrant colors that are built to last. It's designed to produce stunning, long-lasting tattoos on the skin. The smooth consistency makes it easy to apply and blend, giving you complete control for precise shading and detailing. Trusted by professionals, this ink set delivers exceptional results. It's the perfect choice for your next tattoo project. What we like. If you value high-quality ingredients and versatile shades for various shading techniques, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for creating vibrant and long-lasting tattoos with its smooth, easy application. This set allows for a wide range of artistic expression, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. What people say. Love the pre-mixed Greywash. Shake and ready to go. Convince is perfect. Same consistency every time. First off, I'd like to say for the price this ink is quality. I have all 5 of my tattoos done in this ink using a tattoo gun, not a stick and poke, and the oldest being around 2 months old and still looks dark as it should. From a seasoned pro, honest review, this is a good set if you like darker grays. Noobs may have trouble with light subtle shading as the light is more of a medium, the medium is dark, and the dark is black. If you're looking to do portrait work, I'd go with Bob Tyrrell's set, which is good for any gray application, but if you are a pro, this set is a nice set to have, as a lot of my biomech, skull work, and cholo arte I like to bump up the contrast using a darker set. I do like this set, but I am very picky. Very easy to dilute, if needed, with a little distilled water, which hazel and glycerin my preferred mix. Overall a good buy, just keep in mind this is a little bit of a darker set. Number 4. World Famous Greywash Kit. Get ready to experience the ultimate in tattoo ink. It's used by top artists worldwide, creating bold and beautiful results. This isn't just any ink, it's professional grade, designed to deliver flawless artwork. You'll see the difference in the vibrancy and longevity. This kit contains 3 shades of Greywash ink, dark, mid-tone, and charcoal. Perfect for creating stunning gray washes and detailed shading. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring a responsible and ethical choice for both the artist and the client. It's made without animal products and never tested on animals. Your safety is our priority. It's purified and sealed in a tamper-proof bottle with a scan code for authenticity. You can trust its quality and purity. With over 50 years of experience, it's proudly made in America. Experience the quality and heritage of a trusted brand. What we like. If you are looking for a vegan and cruelty-free option made with high-quality ingredients, this is it. It's trusted by professional tattoo artists worldwide, ensuring superior results and a flawless finish. Ink's purity and safety are a top priority, making it a responsible choice for both artists and clients. What people say. The pigment, it's well mixed and flows really good. It shows up dark, it's good product. Love how it blends. Number 3. Dynamic Gray Tattoo Ink Set. Get ready to experience the ultimate in Greywash tattooing. This set offers 5 distinct shades, each providing rich, vibrant color that lasts. It's made with pride in the USA, using only the highest quality ingredients and manufacturing processes. You can trust in its quality and consistency. This ink is made to the same exacting standards as our renowned black ink. It delivers consistent, rich color payout every time, for truly professional results. The opaque formula ensures excellent coverage and saturation, making your designs pop. It's perfect for both black and gray work. Your safety is our priority. It's sterilized and mixed with hospital-grade water, making it vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. For over 30 years, professionals have trusted Dynamic Color Company for superior quality and safety. Experience the difference. What we like. If you need an opaque ink that provides excellent coverage and saturation, this set is for you. The 5 distinct shades allow for precise control over shading and highlighting. The fact that it's made in the USA ensures high-quality standards and safety. What people say. Goes in smooth and saturates well. The quality is decent and the scale of the inks made it easy to transition colors. The gray tones are pretty smooth and easy to work with compared to other industry brands. I was surprised how easy they went in. Number 2. Dynamic Color No. 60 Greywash. This is Dynamic Colors No. 60 Greywash, a dark shade greywash made with hospital-grade water. It's filtered, distilled, and UV sterilized for your safety and peace of mind. It's made in the USA with premium quality and impressive pigment content. Experience a smooth flow rate, perfect for any tattooing technique. We use crystal clear PET bottles with anti-counterfeiting labels and microprint to ensure authenticity. Our heat seals also carry the Dynamic Color stamp, guaranteeing a sterilized product. These inks create noticeably vivid tattoos that stand the test of time. With a history dating back to 1990, it's a time-tested formula you can trust. Available in 30 colors, these high-pigment inks can be mixed to create custom blends. Let your imagination run wild. It contains 0 animal products and is never tested on animals. It's a high-quality choice for ethical artists. What we like. If you are a professional tattoo artist seeking a dark shade greywash with superior quality and hygiene, this is your best bet. Made with hospital-grade water and sterilized for safety, it ensures a smooth flow rate and precise application. This is perfect for creating bold and long-lasting dark gray tattoos. What people say. I love how this greywash heals. Good quality overall. I like the convenience of this ink. Rather than making my own gray wash, I enjoy using these pre-mixed gray washes. Just as expected, Dynamic did amazing with this ink. Number 1. Greywash Tattoo Ink Set. This is our renowned Greywash tattoo ink, perfect for professional artists. It's vegan and made in the USA. It's important to us that it's ethically sourced. This ink is completely vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring a responsible choice. We're proud to say it's made right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and consistency. Designed for professionals, it offers rich, vibrant shades and blends seamlessly. Expect exceptional results with every use. This set includes 3 4-ounce bottles, giving you everything you need for a variety of greywash techniques. Get yours today. With its smooth application and rich tones, it will help you create stunning greywash tattoos. Let your creativity flow. What we like. If you're a professional artist who values high-quality, vegan-friendly ink, this is the perfect choice. Made in the USA, it guarantees superior performance and vibrant, long-lasting results. This set is perfect for creating stunning greywash tattoos with its smooth consistency and rich color. What people say. Love the quality of their inks. Nice bottle design. Love this greywash. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.